What's up, everyone? This is Armyguy Travels coming at you from KLCC, the Kuala Lumpur City Center here in Malaysia, and we're just gonna do an unedited 4K city walk for you to enjoy some of the amazing architecture, sights, and sounds of KLCC. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe. No music, no editing, just straight footage, city walk. Walk with me. So we got Petronas Towers, which is absolutely crazy. I got to see them from the 51st floor last night at my hotel. The architecture here is definitely wild. They put a lot of work to make it look this flashy. As you know, Southeast Asia is huge when it comes to their lights. Lights and architecture, flashy, flashy, flashy. Like, look at these. Got the Petronas Towers behind us, the ICBC Bank building right here. That one's actually really cool. I like the bluish green glass. In a moment, we're gonna walk over to the KLCC sign. Got Ferrari. The architecture here is crazy, guys. They just built the 188 building, or 118 building, which is actually the second tallest building in the world. Over to our left over there is the biggest mosque in Malaysia. So what you saw when we were standing over there near the Petronas Towers, you saw the first building, but the second building's actually behind it. And then you have a connector bridge in the middle, which is really cool. But yeah, there's the Mosque over there. It's really cool. It lights up in blue at night. They actually light the whole bridge up. Beautiful buildings. And then see another double tower that's connected with actually 2 walking bridges. You've got the Suria KLCC, which is a mall. It actually goes from there all the way around. Here's the park with the KLCC sign. Definitely Christmas is in full effect. And there is the beautiful Petronas towers. Guys, this is Kuala Lumpur City Center. Like I said, dude, even in Vietnam, they're getting ready for Christmas big time. Out here, they're getting ready for Christmas big time. There's the mall. And right behind it, you've got the Petronas Towers. This is KLCC, guys. This is the city center. I do these city walks so that people can see unedited views of areas. No music, just walking around. That way folks can enjoy. And you get to see what I see without any chopping, editing, or other alteration. But the architecture here is gorgeous, guys. Does this seem like somewhere you would like to come visit? Somewhere that you would enjoy? It's very peaceful. It's very quiet, actually. That looks like a nice rooftop up there on top of that hotel. Very clean, peaceful park. Put fake grass on here. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you do that thing, subscribe, enjoy, and keep looking out for more city walks. We're gonna keep these coming on a regular basis, so check out the playlist. Y'all have a great day. This is Armyguy Travels.